Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Just a quick one today. My back is really acting up, so I can't do much of anything. But I just thought I'd show you something that's coming up in in the next weeks when I can get some work done again. Remember this little thing? The MTD Mastercut P40. Well, guess what? Ta-da! I have two of them. This is the one I originally had, missing the pull cord, and I haven't really checked anything else. I just know that it's missing a pull cord. But I picked up this one. This is a runner, known good runner. Pull cord is there. Everything looks pretty okay, except for if you look at this thing. Now, that's a proper bodge if I've ever seen one. There seems to be an issue with the control cable, so they've done whatever to that. But I know I have a good working control cable on that, and I know I have a working choke cable on that. I haven't checked if the choke cable, oh yeah, the choke works. But I have to swap out the control cable. That's a small thing, and if you look down here, there's a proper homemade solution for a broken air filter cover. But I have a working and fully functioning air filter cover there. I have a working control cable on that one. If you also notice that the they've on this one it's proper. On this one they put it on upside down. So I'm gonna have to fix that too. That's a small problem. That'll take 10 seconds. But yeah, anyways, I'm hoping to get this done within a few weeks. There's not a lot of job needing to be done, but with a back that like mine, with a back like mine, it's just not possible at the moment. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you for tuning into my videos. I really hope you'll take the time to subscribe, comment, share with your friends, and please follow me on social media. The links are down in the description. Thanks guys. Bye.